welcome to the fire sale sneak peek. I know you missed us last week, but we are back and here for another fire sale. We have 78 items, so let's just get right to seeing the stuff, okay? So number one is an Elite toaster. Big money I'm asking for this, $5. $5 for number one, the Elite toaster. Then number two, we actually have two of these. These are really cool magic tile building blocks. So these are really, really fun. I think they're magnetic. Magic tile, $10 for those. Check the description on the Patreon page. I'll have all of the list of everything and prices. Number three is a 1X blue top. The brand right there, you can see double JU. Double JU is that. And then number four is two pair, but we're just buying one at a time, $15, an extra large pair of black camouflage pants. You can't really tell, but you will be able to see them better tomorrow when I pull them out of the package. Then number five is a size 11 pair of Franco Vannucci black sandals. Size 11 pair of the Franco Vannucci black sandals. And so those are going to be $30 each, and there are two pair of them. Number six is a pair of black sandals also. These are a size 7. Size 7, Olivia Miller, number 6, and they're really, really sparkly, cute black sandals, size 7, $15 for those. $15 for those. And then in this box, we have a 4-pack of these awesome lights. So we've got these nice set of lights. You get all 4 of them in this 4-pack for $10. So this is number 7.
They're solar powered.
Yep, they're solar powered lights for number 7, the 4-pack. Where's the number 7? It jumped off. Did it fall inside the box?
Number 7.
I think it fell back there. We'll get it. Don't worry. All right. Number 8 is a pack of 1,000 pet waste bags. So if you have pets and you have to pick them up, 1,000 of them for $20. $20. Then number 9 is a pair of size 9.5, really cute blue and white rubber boots. 9.5 is the size. $10 is all I'm asking for them. $10 is all I'm asking for those. Then number 10 is a blue women's top, size large, for $10. Then number 11 is an extra large pair of camo pants, $15. Number 12 is a 1X green top for $10. Then we have this pair of shoes, number 13. They are called Air Jumps. They're a size 10, really nice pair of tennis shoes. $30 is what we're asking for those cool Air Jumps. $30, size 10. Then we have this Stalwart tool set. Comes all together for number 14, and it's got everything you see there. It's got a drill, cordless drill with all the attachments that go with it. $30 for that set. Then number 15 is a leopard print sweatshirt, size 3X, for $30. $30 for number 15. Then wandering back down to the other end, we have a brown pet bed, never been used. Looks like it's just out of the package. Brown pet bed, $15. $15 for the brown pet bed. Then number 17 is a Saucony, I'm probably murdering that. Awesome pair of size 7, kind of glow in the dark almost, tennis shoes. Running shoes. They are Triumph shoes, and they are $50. $50 for those size 7. That brand is a really high-end brand. Then we have a pair of Victoria K red flats. They kind of look quilted with some cool detail. Victoria K shoes, 8.5 is the size, for $15. $15 for those 8.5 red shoes. Then number 19 is a harness vest for a pet, size large, $15. $15 for a pet harness. Number 20 is a pair of sweat shorts, size large, and they're black in color, for $10. 21 is a dark gray 5XL pair of sweatpants for $15. 5XL. Then number 22 is a Salav garment steamer for $30. It's a really big one, $30. Then we're going to wander on over. We have a pair of Union Bay flower shoes. Let's see what those look like. Look at those. Aren't those cute?
Gorgeous.
They look like you need to go to Hawaii. Union Bay flower shoes. 7.5 is the size. $10 is what we're asking. $10. Then next, number 24 is a power air fryer, extra large, 2.4 quart air fryer. And we, yep, it is $40 is the price. $40 is the price. So we'll probably pull it out tomorrow. So that power air fryer is a 2.4 quart. Then number 25 is a black snorkel mask, $35. It is a size large, I believe. Is it a large?
Large extra large.
Large extra large is the one, and it has the little air blower attached to it and everything. A really nice mask. Yes, it's an adult size, large extra large. Then we have a Harrison Miles pair of tennis shoes. That's number 26 Harrison Miles pair of shoes. Brown boots, size 13. 13, that's kind of a hard size to find. $40 for those brown boots. Then we have a Henry Ferreira brown sandal, size 11. Looks like this. Henry Ferreira brown sandal, size 11, $30. $30 for those really cute, comfy brown sandals. Then we have the Magic Bullet. If you love blenders, this is the best one. Magic Bullet, $20, number 28. Number 28 is $20. Then we have a bunch of fun jewelry, and you'll get to see it closer up tomorrow. But number 29 is a pair of square earring studs, really beautiful, clear square ones, nice detail to them. Then those are $10. Those are $10. And number 30 is an earring stud that is circle in shape, number 10. $10 for number 30. Then number 31 is a pair of gold tone hoops for $30 because of the dramatic detail on them, and the pricing was really high on them original price.
They said they're 18 karat, but there's no mark that I can find.
Yeah, we may just be blind, but they do say they were 18 karat. So number 32 is a large pair of hoops that are silver toned. We're just going to sell those for $5. Number 33 is a size 9 ring, silver toned, for $25 for number 33 is a size 9 silver toned ring. Then number 34 is the Big Bopper. This is $500. The original price on this is $650, and it is a movement related rain watch. So it's a rain watch. And basically what happens is as you move, it winds the watch. So it's really, really amazing. And normally it's $650. We're selling it for $500. So
and this was in brand new condition.
Brand new working condition, totally functional. Then we have, and I'll have all the details about that watch tomorrow. Earrings, dangly earrings with crystals on the end. Those are really, really pretty, really pretty. If I didn't have too much jewelry, I probably would have kept those. $20 for number 35, number 35. Then we have another pair of gold tone rainbow, I call them rainbow hoops because they have multicolors on them. So multiple different colors on these hoops, $5. Number 37. These are earrings that also have a cartilage clip. They're silver tone, $10. I have 2 pairs of them. So you put the regular earring in your ear and then it clips up your ear. So it kind of runs along the edge of the cartilage there. Then number 38 is I'm going to just spell it Akribos. Akribos 24 diamond watch. 24 diamond watch. So that one is $25 for that really gorgeous watch. Then number 39 is a 925 marked sterling silver blue ring, size 7. $20 is what we're asking for that. It is marked 925, so it is actually a sterling silver ring, size 7. So if you have to wear that real jewelry, there you go. Then number 40 is another one of those multicolored rainbow hoop earrings, silver toned, $5. Then number 41, are we on 41? Yes. Number 41 is another pair of those hooped earrings for $5 as well. Then number 42 is a 14 karat pair of gold hoop earrings, $10. Then what number are we on? Number 43 is a ring necklace and earring set, and it's all got little pearl kind of style. $45 for all of that. The ring, the necklace, and the earrings, $45. $45. Then number 44 is a gold tone large hoops. So those, I have 2 of them, $10 for those gold tone large hoops. Then number 45 is a big pile of just miscellaneous jewelry, all beautiful pieces.
Pile of jewelry.
But I just thought I would lot them together for $10, and so that's a fun one. A lot of really cool adjustable bracelets on there. Really, really nice stuff. So that's number 45 for $10. Then number 46 is a 18 karat gold over 925 sterling silver. So that is 18 karat gold over 925 sterling silver herringbone necklace. Very, very gorgeous. So that is going to be $25. Number 47 is a 14 karat small gold hoops, 14 karat gold hoops, $10. Then number 48.
Should I pull it out of the bag?
Oh, is a heart bracelet. Let me pull this out. $15 is what we're asking for number 48. A heart bracelet. Look at that. Beautiful little heart bracelet. So $15 on that. Comes with its own bag for the jewelry. So that is number 48, and we're asking $15 for that. So $15 for number 48. Then number 49 is a microdermabrasion tool. So this is called, number 49 is called a new Aquaderm is the brand, microderm abrasion set for $10. Then 50 is a pair of X-ray men's shoes for $30. Number 50 is a pair of X-ray men's shoes for $30. That's number 50, and they're an 8.5. 8.5 kind of loafer. Then number 51 is a pair of Giovini red leggings. They're kind of like jeggings. 1XL for $20. 1XL is the size for number 51. Number 52 is a Lock in Love blue extra large top V-neck style. So $10 for that. Number 53 is a pink dog vest. It's actually, isn't it a vest for going out on the boat and stuff? Pink dog vest, $10.
It's a life safety.
Yeah, life safety vest. So number 54 is another pair of $30 X-ray shoes. They look like this. $30 for those X-ray shoes, and they are size 9. Size 9 for those loafers. $30, number 54. Then number 55 is a blue patriotic top that is size medium. Really, really cool, kind of a camo and patriotic. And then number 56 is a Liss Lou 1X gray top for $20.
Never even been opened.
Never even been opened, yep. Number 57 is a Lady Godiva pair of tennis shoes. Look at those. Those are amazing.
Everybody needs those shoes.
$40. $40 is what we're asking for number 57, and they are leopard print and size 8. Size 8 for those $40 pair of shoes. Number 58, if you haven't seen, I don't know if I can pull it out. I'll probably pull it out tomorrow, but it's a really beautiful mosaic.
Good, pull it out.
Okay, mosaic bird feeder.
Oh, there it is.
And it's got
Look at that.
a top on it and everything. So it's a very beautiful, and that hole looks jagged, but that's how all of them are.
Yep.
So it's a mosaic bird feeder, and we are asking $20 for the mosaic bird feeder. So that's really cool.
She's doing a great job.
Yes.
Great job.
All right, then we have number 59. Number 59 is a Karen Scott 20W blue skort. So it's not a skirt, not a shorts, it's a skort. Number 60 is, the skort is $20. Number 60 is a Zenana sweater, large blue, $20. Then 61 is a 1X plaid top for $10. Number 62 is a pair of unlisted white shoes, size 10 for $15. Let's look at those. They are size 10 men's. Unlisted, $15 is all we want for those. Not too shabby. Number 63 is a men's size large sweatpants lot. And I believe there's 5 or 4 in there. 4 pieces, I think, in there. 4 in number 60 for $20. Then we have number 64 is a 5-pack clothing lot of 3X leggings. So they're size 3X leggings.
They say 3X, but we're suspicious that they're not 1X.
They're really, really tight leggings, almost like tights. So if you are a 3X, they'll fit more like tights. If you are more like a 1X, they'll fit like leggings. So that's number 64, and those are $30 for all 5 pair, and they're different colors. Number 65 is a Giovini extra large pair of sweatpants, gray, $15. Then you guys love these domino boards, so we have 4 more available for $30. $30 for 4 more of the domino boards. What was somebody calling these? Quilter boards? Sometimes people use them as quilting boards, but we use them for dominoes, so.
No idea about quilting boards.
Okay, anyway, then number 67 are the pack of bug lights. So you get all of these different bug lights, 67, $20 for the whole pack of them. Then number 68 for $20 is a pair of unlisted gray shoes. Unlisted gray shoes, they are a size 11.5 for $20. 11.5. These gray men's shoes for $20. So ask the men in your life, do they need some shoes? All right, number 69 is another lot of clothing. They are all sweatpants size medium, $15. All sweatpants size medium, $15. Then number 7 is a 5-pack of shirts, men's extra large, $25. Then number 71 is a 2-pack of sweatpants size large, only $10. So 2-pack of those. Then number 72 is a 2-quart air fryer. That's number 72, a 2-quart air fryer for only $20. 2-quart air fryer for $20. So if you only have yourself or someone else in your family, this is the perfect size. Then number 73. Number 73 is a dog bed, right? Yeah, gray dog bed for $20. So gray dog bed for $20. Number 74 are our famous tomahawks. So they are $30 for number 74. Really cool wooden handle and everything on them. So 74 is a tomahawk, $30. Then we have this whole yoga set. It comes with the towel, the block, the mat. All the things that you see in there is exactly what comes with it. Yoga set, $20 for that whole box. Okay, whole box. Then we have the, this is new. This is a battle mace. Let me get it out. Oh, I'm grabbing it on the wrong end. Okay, this is a battle mace. So it's got the chain to put around your wrist. Don't I look amazing? Do I look dangerous? But this has actually got some weight to it. This here has actually got some weight to it. But we actually have 3 of these available.
Please don't really hit somebody with those.
It will hurt.
That will really hurt someone.
Because these are pretty pokey. So this battle mace is actually an 18-inch long handle. $20 a piece is what we're asking. We have 3 of them for sale. Okay, 3 of them for sale. I think we're going to put some on the next sale as well. But we're going to see. We'll be putting some of the knives and stuff for sale on Hooked on Pickin regularly, on a regular basis. So if you ever miss out on a fire sale, or you're not quick on the draw, or you have slow internet, check out Hooked on Pickin next week, and we'll have some of those things available. Then we have the by request horseshoe knives. So here are the horseshoe knives that you guys loved, made out of an actual horseshoe that comes with its own holder that you can clip on your belt. We have 6 of them available, and they are $20 a piece for those cool horseshoe knives. So $20 for the number 77 horseshoe knives. And then we have, last thing on the list, number 78 are the 4-pack of Ninja throwing stars, and they are $10 a piece. We have 6 of them available, and you get all 4 of those, and they are sharp enough to actually fling and stick into a pallet. So you can throw them at wooden pallets, and they will stick. So that's $10. So hopefully that you have found something that you really, really like to buy, and this sneak peek video has helped you make decisions. But we hope to see you on the fire sale tomorrow at noon Central Standard Time at hookedonpickin.com YouTube channel. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.